Hi, welcome back to Cooking with Colin. Did you know that pizza in Latin is called pinza? Pinza means flatbread. The ancient Greeks ate the pinza with olive oil and herbs on top. The ancient Romans appreciated Greek art and food. Over time, the toppings evolved and became what we know today as pizza. And today, I will be showing you how to make fresh homemade pizza. So the ingredients what we will be using today are 3 cups of flour, 1 packet of yeast, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and 1 cup of warm water, which is 110 degrees. Now we are going to mix all the ingredients together to form a ball of dough. Here's the salt, here's the yeast, here is the sugar, then the flour comes in, heavy. Okay. Then we put the oil in. And lastly, the warm water. Now, we just mix it all together until the ball of dough comes. Now that this dough ball is ready to roll, let's roll it out. Let's flatten it out here. And then we start compressing it. So, now that we have it all flattened out, we're going to move it onto the pizza stone. But before we do that, I have a little secret here. We're going to put some cornmeal so it won't stick to the plate. And now we're just going to carry the pizza. And there. Now you just got to, it doesn't matter what shape it is. As long as it's tasty, it's good. Now just patch up all the holes and I'm just gonna make it square shaped. So yeah, now we're ready to top it for now. Now we're gonna put the sauce and the cheese on. We're just gonna first put the sauce on. And here we go. It's nice to have a lot of sauce. I mean, I like mine pretty saucy. You know what? This is taking too long. I like a lot of sauce on my pizza. Okay, now it's time to add the mozzarella cheese. Just spread it around here. And personally, I like pepperoni, but you can actually add whatever you want on your pizzas, like sausage or anything what you like. Okay, now we put this in the 370 degrees oven. Now we open it up. I like this pizza because it has extra cheese on it. Now, see you in 25 minutes. Oh. 25 minutes already. Okay, pizza's ready. Okay, so this pizza smells good. Looks delicious. So the ancient Rome actually ate these with their hands, so I think I should do the same too. So thank you for cooking with Colin, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Hi, Luigi. This pizza is pretty good, don't you think? Who did the Romans get the idea of pizza from? And what does the Latin word for pizza mean?
Pizza? I want more of this pizza.